Hmm. Hello everybody. Yesterday I was absent. Today I will share with you the geometry sections, new chapter. Uh, the topic is quadrilateral. Okay, those figures which comes under quadrilateral, that is rhombus, rectangles, trapezium, parallelogram, etc. I will discuss each figure with their properties. Okay. So guys, I want to share one thing also. क्या हुआ मेरा जो अपलोडेड वीडियो था उसमें एक इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो में कुछ साउंड ऐड किया गया है, तो इट्स वेरी इंसल्टिंग साउंड। मुझे पता नहीं कौन कर रहा है यार, तो समवन हैज मेड दीज थिंग्स। तो जो भी कर रहा है तो डोंट डू, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट। मतलब क्योंकि ये it is not sure that I have done this sound. It is unbelievable that nobody can do that because nobody can access my account. Okay, but it has been done because I didn't do that. I have checked many times before uploading this video. It is very humiliating, so guys, don't do that. Be transparent to your character by heart, sorry. तो मैं और कुछ बताना नहीं चाहता हूँ। everybody are competitor, everybody want achieve in success, but I think this is not fair. So I want to share one thing also. Today I will take double times class, 1.5 hour, because yesterday I was absent. और हम लोगों को मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, क्या जस्ट शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस थिंग्स। मुझे और भी एक्सपेक्ट व्यूअर चाहिए। आई वांट एटलीस्ट 10,000 व्यूज। ओके, then I will get energy to teach you. Okay, thank you. So I will start. So quadrilateral. Quad means four. The geometrical figure formed by the four sided is called quadrilateral. Okay, so this is quadrilateral having four sides A, B, C, D. Okay. And these AC and BD are the diagonals of this quadrilateral, and I will discuss about the properties of quadrilateral one by one. First, see properties. Sorry. So the angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Sum of all the angles in this quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. And the four sides are AB, BC, CD, and DA. Right? Now next property. This is the first property. Next property, what? Sorry. Rest. If the midpoints of the side AB, PQ, or S are joined together, they form a parallelogram. So this is parallelogram. Parallelogram. So I should discuss earlier before going to this point. What is parallelogram? So parallelogram is one type of quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. Parallelogram is one type of quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal. These sides such as A, B, C, D. AB equal to CD and AB parallel CD. Vice versa, AD equal to BC, AD parallel BC. Okay, understand guys? So if the midpoints of the quadrilaterals is joined together, they form a parallelogram. Okay guys, understand? So this is parallelogram. And one property more. The area of this parallelogram would be half of the area of the quadrilateral. That is PQRS equal to half of the quadrilateral ABCD. CD. Okay? Understand guys? Now third property, I'll go. What is third property? Third property is angle bisector of angle A and angle B. It meets point at O, then it makes the angle BOC. This BOC equal to conum angle of half of D. Angle D, angle C. How about the summation of angle D and C? These दोनों एंगल सम अप करके डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, हाफ करना पड़ेगा, तो इसमें इक्वल होगा दिस एंगल would be equal to half of this and this. So I can explain this property in this way. If C 60 degree, then cone angle of AOB equal to 180 degree. This triangle OB, cone 180 degree minus half of angle A, half of angle B. This is total. The summation of three angles of this triangle is 180 degree. So this angle AOB would be 180 minus half of AB, because of this is half. This is the angle bisector. AO and OB are the angle bisector. Okay, bisector. Now I have to put the things, cone C cons angle A plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 minus C plus angle D. Put here value of AB. What would be 360 degree angle of C, angle of D. 180 degree minus 360, 180 degree plus angle of C, angle of D. This goes out. So it will be equal to half of, here it will be half of angle of C, angle of D. So angle A will be equal to half of angle of C and angle of D. So this is the property. This is the main property. You have to memorize, but this is the explanation here. Understand? One more property. And to erase these things. The D and BF. D and BF are the perpendicular on the diagonal AC. The area of the angle triangle ADC of D into AC. Area of triangle ABC of BF into AC. Okay, this area. If you sum up this area of the triangle, both triangle, you will get the area of the quadrilateral. So area of the quadrilateral is half AC into D plus BF. Okay, easily understood, guys. All things. Just to see these things. Hello guys, see. Yeah. Now I have to remember one thing. Is any properties left? Area given. Area is gone. Okay, now I'll go to okay, now I am going to the next property. Next figure. Now I will discuss about a rectangle. Rectangle. So this is rectangle. overlay of the rectangle, this opposite side would be parallel and equal like parallelogram, and all the four angles would be 90 degree. This sign indicates 90 degree. Okay. So now in case of rectangle, there are here this diagonal AC equal to BD. These diagonal are same. AC equal to BD. AC and BD are two diagonals. This diagonal would be same in length. Understand? And this is called length. The longer side is called length, and the shorter side is called breadth. L and B. What would be the area? Area would be L and B square unit. And what would be the perimeter? Perimeter would be twice of sum of L plus B unit. Understand? Now, if this is ABCD, this is a rectangle, and the midpoints are PQ, R, and S. If you join these midpoints of the rectangle, it makes what? It makes a square. Why? Just see, if you compare these two triangles, these sides are equal because of this Q is the midpoint of BC, and this side also equal, and this side is 90 degree, so it will be congruent to this. If congruent means this is equal to this, and if you compare these things, similarly this side equal to this side and this is equal to this, and it is also 90, so it would be also congruent to this triangle. Okay, so first in case of first case, this triangle BPQ are congruent to CQR. Similarly, triangle CQR is congruent to triangle DRS. Understand? So these all four sides are equal. Understand, guys? And these angle are 90 degree. Because of this is 45, this is 45, this is 45, this is 45. So it would be 90. 40, 45, 90. It would be 90 because all the angles of any straight line is equal to 180 degree. This angle. So this would be 90. This is the middle angle. Because of this is 45, this is 45. So this would be a square. So PQRS is a square. So this is a good property. If you join the midpoints of the rectangle of adjacent sides, it makes a square. PQRS. Then in case of area, what would be 8? So area would be equal to 1/4. Sorry. So easily understood, guys. This area, how much? Area would be how much? this area is how much amount? Okay, so it would be 1/4, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. Half means 1, 14, 14, 14, 14. It would be 1/4, and all the triangles, smaller triangles, would be 1/8. Okay, 1/8 into 4. Sorry, it would be half. It would be half. I'm extremely sorry. It would be half. One unit. So the smallest triangle, 4 triangles having equal area 1/8 of the total rectangle, and this is half. Plus 1. Okay, understand, guys? Now anything left in rectangle section? These 4 triangle also are having equal area, that is 1/4. This is one more very important point. 1/4. 1/4. Sorry. One-fourth. Having equal area, triangle is 1/4. And this is 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, and this is half. Understand, guys? Now one more property here. Anything left? If any point inside the rectangle, suppose such as P, if you join this PB, PC, so D, this is D, PB and PC, and PA and PC, then properties are PA square plus PC square equal to PB square plus PD square. This is very important property. Okay, guys, P square plus PC square, this square, sum of this square equal to sum of this square, P square plus PD square. Understand, guys? Is it easily understood? Just see and note down the properties. Could I erase this problem? I have told you these angles are 45 degree. These all angles are 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay, one more thing I want to include it. This diagonals meets at the point O. And in case of rectangle, it bisects each other. AO equal to BO equal to CO equal to DO. All are equal because these sorry yes this diagonal equals, so it would be equal. AO equal to BO equal to CO equal to DO. This triangle congruent to this and this is congruent to this. Because of this is parallel to this parallel, this angle are same, opposite angle, and this sides equal. These alternate angles are same. It will be congruent to this triangle and it will be congruent to this triangle. And also one more property, this AO equal to B equal to CO equal to DO, and also AC equal to BD. It is very simple. So all the properties of rectangle is easily understood. Guys, just see and note down. If anything problem, just WhatsApp me. Just comment on comment box. Now I will go square. So PQRS, this is square. What is the properties of the square? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay, that is PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SP. Suppose measurement of the all sides are A unit. Okay, so area would be a square unit and perimeter would be 4A unit. Please. Now next, similar for all the geometrical figure, if you join midpoints of all the sides, so it makes a square. Okay, it makes a square, and this area of the square would be on half. This is 1/8. Okay, area of all the triangle would be 1/8 and this area would be half. If you sum up 1/8 into 4 equal to half plus 5 equal to 1. You know the all the angles of the square are 90 degree. And one more property is here in case. Sorry. You just see this. If you join this figure, CBCD. Oh, so my diagonals are same, and not only diagonal, these four triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, because these are equal to these equal to these are all the same, having equal area. 1/4. Okay, guys, and these angles are 90 degree at the center, and this is 45. All are 45. These. Okay, guys, understood easily. Just observe precisely. So this is the property. I have told you the area and perimeter also. Square property. Anything missing? Square. Sorry, I have made some mistakes in case of rectangle case. Joining the midpoints of the rectangle, of the rectangle would be rhombus. Slightly little bit mistake. These are angle are 90 degree. This is 45. These all sides are equal. Okay, but these angles are not 90 degree. These angles are not 45 degree. I made some mistake in the because these sides are not equal. Okay, so this would be these quadrilateral form would be rhombus. It is a very great mistake. Sorry, guys. It will be rhombus in case of rectangle. If you join the midpoints, and in case of square, it would be square. You see this? Anything left? No, what is left in these properties? rectangle, square, now we'll come to the section parallelogram, then rhombus, then trapezium. So what is parallelogram? Parallelogram is one type of coordinator whose opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. PQRS. Okay. Sorry. Now, if you join the, what is the properties? These angles equal to this. Sorry. Just see. These angles equal to this. Cone P equal to cone R, and these angles also this. Angle RQ equal to angle S. So these angles are equal, opposite angle, and these opposite angles are equal. Okay, and PQ equal to RS. PQ I have told earlier. Similarly, PS parallelogram QR and PS equal to QR. Understand, guys? And one more property here. One case, two case, three case. Cone P, angle P, angle Q equal to 180 degree. These angles are 180 degree. Similarly, cone Q, angle R equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle R, angle S equal to 180 degree. Angle S, angle P equal to 180 degree. Understand, guys? The next question. So next forward is PQRS. If we draw this diagonal PR, here this angle triangle PQR congruent. So congruent to cone PRS. Okay. Similarly, if you draw this QS and this triangle PQS equally congruent would be congruent to QRS. Is it understood? And these diagonals in case of parallelogram also same. That is PR equal to QS. Now one thing is left: parallelogram, rhombus, after that trapezium. Rhombus and trapezium. If you join these midpoints of this parallelogram, it also makes a parallelogram. All are 1/8 into 4, half, and this is half. Understand? Suppose given name is ABCD. Now I will draw one more parallelogram. Suppose what? Just draw the diagrams. Oh, sorry. Okay. In bisects, AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD. Bisect each other, and these are congruent to this, and this is congruent to this. I've told you. This is a triangle. This triangle congruent to this, and this congruent to this. Is it understood, guys? Now one more property, very important property of parallelogram. Very important property. All the parallelogram line in the same base and same parallel lines will be equal in area. I have to draw this figure. Notice base is there. Base, suppose AB. Now draw parallelogram, different parallelogram. Just draw this, and draw one more this. Okay. ABCD, ABPQ. Okay. So all the triangles, all the parallelogram would be equal. Understand this? Just observe very well. ABPQ. This parallelogram ABCD. This parallelogram ABCD, ABRS. This all the parallelogram will be equal in area. Parallelogram ABPQ, parallelogram ABCD, parallelogram ABRS. Understand, guys? All the area of the parallelogram on the base of same line base and the parallel lines would be equal in area. This is the most important property. Now I didn't discuss what is rhombus. Rhombus is one type of quadrilateral whose four sides are equal. Four sides are equal in length and parallel. Four sides are equal. This side, this side, this side, this side, and parallel. Parallel to this each other. This parallel to this and this parallel to this, and also this is equal. This side, this side, this side, this side. Understand, guys? This is almost. So today I'll not discuss anything. This is the end, and if anything problems, you can comment me. Anything mistake made by me, maybe I can make mistakes. Not suddenly I can make something mistakes in case of discussing the properties of rectangle. One of the point. And guys, please visit my YouTube channel and subscribe it. जितना देर लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करो और एक्सपेंड हो जाएगा और मुझे पढ़ने भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So please subscribe this. And the next day, today I will come in this time 3:30 around or 3 p.m. and in morning session, or maybe in morning session, maybe in afternoon session, I will come in 2 sessions and I will discuss arithmetic portion in one session and another session geometry portion. Okay, so after a few days elaborating arithmetic and geometry, I will again come to solve the RRB NTPC previous year paper mathematics section, and also I will solve SSCGL prelim question paper of 4th March. This was one of the hardest, toughest sheet. I think so. I will solve it one by one question, mathematics and reasoning. So guys, visit my channel and subscribe it and like also. Thank you.